Hi, this is Josh at Trim Web Design, and today I'd like to go over how to add more links internally to your WordPress website. Now, right here, I'm looking at a blog that I've wrote, and you'll see this right here. It says uncategorized. Now, this is how this blog has been categorized. I didn't place it in a specific category, and it needs to be placed in a category. So let's go over to my posts. Let's look. Here's your categories in the center right here. So why do we do this? Why does it even matter? Why even classify them? Well, the internal SEO reason is to create more links. So here, if you go and you click on it, it's a link in itself, but it's the only one on that page, right? So there's only one extra link that you can have. But if you categorize it, and you could add it to, you could have it in multiple categories, right? So you could create even more links, right? You could put it under featured, you put it under web design. You can create a ton of other categories, but by doing this, you're creating more and more links. So by editing your categories, and actually we should have subcategories of categories. So that way it creates even more links and it becomes exponential and it just keeps growing. Let me give you an example. Let's update this. Now let's go to categories. Let's say Google SEO. Let's make it a child category of that. Help with Google SEO. I'm going to add a new category. Okay, so you can see here it's a child, right? Okay. So how does this work? Let's go back to all posts. Now, you don't want to just click this one because then that's the only place that it will appear. I suggest that to create the most links and for it to be the most relevant, you make sure it's in the parent and the child because they both are kin to one another. So not uncategorized. That should be deleted really. But here you can see now we're creating even more links. Okay, are there any other? Oh, yep, see, here's one for Google as well. So let's edit this one. Let's add that one. Okay. All right, now let's go on the front side. Let's refresh this. Yeah, there's nothing there because this was the uncategorized. So let's just go back to blog. Okay, so now web design, search engine optimization. Ah, look here. So we've created 2 new links, right, for this on just this page. Now it keeps multiplying because when you click on it, it's going to take you to this new page where there's more new links. And it's not just 2 new links here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then all these links down here. So it keeps building and building and building. So by doing this, you're really helping your internal link structure. And let's see if my internal links have changed from me doing this just a couple of days ago with my main website. My internal links were around 2,900 or something like that. Yeah, so they've grown. So I've generated close to 100 links, maybe a little over 100 links, just by editing my. Now this will not include the categorization, but this is the tags that I talked about in my previous video. So, and I only added a couple of tags and edited my blogs to include a couple of new tags, so you can see how all this can add up for your internal links. And again, why do internal links even matter? Well, that's something that Google looks at to determine how reputable your site is. Okay, so there's a SEO periodic chart. There we go. This is a really cool thing to go by. Let's just click on images. It's a really good SEO checklist. I need to create one because I don't exactly. Let me try to zoom in here for you. This thing let me zoom in. Just downloads. Okay. Let me. Oh, okay. All right. So let's zoom in, and I'm pretty sure there should be links on here. Yes, links. So let's look under. Oh, that's off page. We want on page. So you can see the more links you build up off page, of course, the better too, because Google looks at that as an authenticating factor. Quantity research, mobile, description, structures, headers, speed, duplication, words, fresh, critical answers, URL. See, it's not here, but I know it works. Quality, research, description, because I know that Google likes breadcrumb trails and the connectivity through the breadcrumb trails. So this SEO chart is not accurate. Sorry, I thought it would help. But anyway, if you have any questions or comments or ways that you think I could improve these sessions, please just leave a comment below. And thank you for watching and supporting my channel. This helps me get through college. So, yeah.